both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. You see me make my way through the crowd and say hello. Little did you know that I was Romeo and I was throwing pebbles, and your daddy said stay away from Juliet, and you were crying on the staircase begging me please don't go. And you said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you, and we keep quiet cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes.